From a long way away, I'll take risks.
Overpricing a home can have several negative consequences. Here are the dangers of overpricing your home. Overpricing can deter potential buyers, leading to a prolonged listing period. The longer your home stays on the market, the more buyers may perceive it as undesirable or flawed. Buyers often search for homes within a specific price range. An overpriced home may not even appear in their search results. Reduced interest from buyers can limit the number of showings and offers received. Newly listed homes tend to generate the most interest and excitement. An overpriced home might miss out on this initial buzz. Subsequent price reductions may not create the same level of excitement or urgency among potential buyers. Overpricing can lead to difficulties during the appraisal process. If the appraised value is significantly lower than the asking price, buyers may struggle to secure financing for the full amount. Buyers may hesitate to make offers on overpriced homes, assuming the seller's expectations are unrealistic. Negotiations can become more challenging, as buyers and sellers might have different perceptions of the home's value. As your real estate agent, my goal is to help you set an optimal and competitive price for your home. To maximize your chances of selling within a reasonable time frame and for the best possible price, it's crucial to take into account market conditions, comparable properties, and expert insights to arrive at a price that accurately reflects your home's value. If you are looking to sell for top dollar, please contact me at 7047771793 or email prime1realty@gmail.com.
I can't miss. I can't go back, I can't switch. I can't go back, I can't switch.